top 10. We going viral. You heard? Top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on. We outside.
Follow me.
Yo. What's that? It's a big ass snail.
I might need your help, bro.
That one there's too heavy for me, dog.
This is bad. This is very, very bad.
Alright, y'all, so we got a big deal for the Civic. We got a Pulsar 3584 Gen 2 with the T51 on mod. See that shit, bro?
That's just crazy.
So a couple videos ago, I don't know if y'all remember, I told you guys I was getting my intake manifold powder coated along with the valve cover. So I got the valve cover, turbo, and the intake manifold powder coated. It's in black and white right now, obviously. The color's crazy, bro. Mark, what you think about the color?
I'm not gonna lie, bro. This color is nuts, bro.
Y'all can't see it right now.
Y'all can't even see it, but that shit is crazy.
This shit hit different in the sunlight. It's gonna look crazy in the engine bay. It's gonna sit something like this.
Yeah.
We're gonna mock up the turbo on the engine, so I'm gonna attach it to the manifold. I got some manifold studs from Speed Zone Factory, and titanium ones. They look fire. Basically, get to see our reactions to how it looks. Tough.
Crispy.
Titanium manifold stuff. Bro, look at that. By the way, forgot to tell y'all, I got a Tau V60 wastegate. It's a 60mm wastegate. Again, we upgraded to a 60mm wastegate just to help with the boost creep on the Sidewinder. If you're wondering why I got such a big wastegate, that is the reason why. What's good, y'all? It's the next day. Still in black and white here, but we got some bad news, man. So thankfully, one of you guys DM'd me telling me that the hybrid racing tensioner for the timing chain, the fitment on that tensioner may not be perfect for K24Z. So I forgot his IG, but you shout out to you, bro, because we definitely don't want this leaking. Usually on R40s or K24Zs, you're not able to use anything but the OEM tensioner. Apparently the fitment isn't perfect and there may be an oil leak. I'm not sure exactly where. All I know is I don't need any oil leaks in this engine. So it's a brand new engine. I'm not trying to have to take this motor out when I'm already done and it's in the car, you know what I'm saying? Because of a stupid oil leak. It's all on me and I might have bought the wrong part. So we just gonna go ahead and take off the timing cover to verify. If it is a wrong tensioner, we'll just use the OEM tensioner from my old engine. So it's not a big deal. It's an R40 also. If you guys didn't know, the one that blew up. Just take the tensioner from that, swap it to this. If we see that there is a potential oil leak issue. As of right now, I'm trying with this D-Wall gun, but I'm not having much luck. I'm pretty sure I need a weighted socket or it's not gonna work. So I'm just trying. That's all I can do, fam. I just want this shit to run. That shit not going nowhere, nigga. What the fuck?
You are a loser. Simple. Accept it. Move on.
I guess for right now, since I can't get this shit off, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the transmission off and probably might take the Iron Man clutch off the old motor so we have it off and ready to put on. I'm not gonna put it on today, obviously, because it's kind of bolted up to this, so I won't really be able to work on the transmission side. I'm not gonna lie, that shit kinda heavy. So now that we got the transmission clean, I'm gonna go ahead and take the pressure plate, the clutch, and the flywheel all off the old engine. For those of you who don't know, this is the Action Clutch Ironman 6-plug clutch. I don't know the exact numbers it's rated for. On their website, it says 250% above stock torque. Pretty sure I've heard about people running over 700 on these. Hopefully this clutch will hold the power that we're looking to make out of this motor. So next thing would be a twin disc, and that's pretty aggressive. I don't know if I want that for my daily. We'll see how it goes. So I just took off the pressure plate and the clutch disc itself. You can see all the dust that came out. I'm not a clutch expert, but this doesn't look like it's too bad to me. On the inside of the pressure plate, there is some warping going on. Definitely from heat. After looking at the flywheel, you guys could just see it right there. Flywheel definitely needs to be resurfaced. With all this heat warp, not even really smooth. It's smooth, but you could feel the warps. We're gonna get this resurfaced. I think we're just gonna reuse the clutch disc and reuse this pressure plate. Hopefully this is good. That's a lot of heat warp, I'm not gonna lie, but we don't have much options right now, you feel me? It was working before it blew up, right?
Tree time.
So we back with a different gun. Oh shit.
I'm not gonna lie, I heard some shit. I'm like, what was that?
My fault, gang. I didn't even check in first. You right, my fault. What's good, bro? I got this Leslie weighted socket. I didn't even know this shit existed, but apparently this is what you use to take off the crank pulley bolt. So that shit just came off like butter, bro. Alright, y'all, so I didn't get to record. After taking the timing cover off, I think this is where the potential leak could be. I took off the old motor's timing cover also, just to see how the OEM one looks. I'm gonna go ahead and hit some people up just to make sure I'm making the right choice. What you guys think, bro? I think I'm gonna end up putting the OEM one regardless, just to be safe. It don't look too different. It really does not look too different. But just to be safe, we're gonna go ahead and take this and replace it with the hybrid one that we have right there. Just to play it safe, you feel me? In order to take this tensioner off and not have to reset the timing, I put 2 zip ties here to hold the chain in place. Hopefully that works. About to take this tensioner off and get back to y'all. All right, so I just took off the hybrid tensioner. We have it right here. There's slight differences between OEM and hybrid. I'm gonna just go ahead and switch them out just to be safe. Can't go wrong with OEM. So as you can see, I went ahead and replaced it. Hopefully it's all good. Just finished putting Honda Bond all over the timing cover. I'm about to throw it back on. So it's not the best job, but I put enough, so if it leaked, I know it's not my fault, you feel me? It's so much, bro. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion. Am I dark skin or light skin?
Yeah, both teams, bro.
Both sides?
Both sides, bro. You claim whatever you want to claim right now.
I gotta pick a side. I can't be in the middle.
Nah, bro.
Right now he's in the middle. Look at my
I'm in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
All right, how about now?
Team dark skin. Team dark skin. Yeah. No. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I know you're recording, Phil. I know you're. All right, bro.
You got the, like...
You got the what?
Did you get this?